Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be taking you through a day in the life of a content creator, and I hope that you actually get like insight into behind the scenes of making videos, Instagram, TikToks, like literally everything, and the work that we like have to put in. It's currently 6 a.m. I've been up since 4. I did my makeup, I did some TikToks, and now I'm about to film the intro for my YouTube video. I'll be traveling this week, so I'm trying to film as many things as possible so that you guys will like have videos. I'll edit them when I'm out of town and I can be consistent. So my room is a mess. First of all, like I was racing. I have stuff that I've moved around for the video and everything, but I'm just going to show you my setup and take you through my day. So as you can see, I have my shoes all over the place. I have braiding hair. I have stuff like that. This is like what I have to come and film right now, and then that's my jewelry box, hair, my bed, my work area, my table and everything. And that I have to sort out. Okay, so I start by arranging where I'm going to sit down to do the videos. It's for videos where I'm sitting down and talking or whatnot. So I'll be sitting on this wall and I push my chair to the wall. I'm just showing you guys the actual time because I made a mistake. It wasn't 6 yet, it was still past 5. And then now I'm doing a TikTok, so you should definitely check out my TikTok at I am Camera for some of my videos that I do. So yeah, I'm just doing some behind the scenes for the TikTok videos. I'm doing one of those transition videos. I'm touching up my makeup, and then now I'm going to go ahead and set my camera so that I can start filming for the video which I'm going to upload on Tuesday. This is a video I'm going to upload on Tuesday, so please be sure to check that out as well. Please subscribe and turn on your notifications so when the video comes on you know what's up. Yeah, so I pushed my chair back because I'm not using it anymore, and then I'm actually preparing to start doing the video. So this is a wig transformation video where I have this old video and I'm going to use it to make a butterfly, what's the word, butterfly goddess lock. I don't know what those things are called, but it's like the twirly locks that are really cute. So yeah, this is how far I've gone, and this is how I basically spend the first parts of my day, by just like braiding the hair and everything. So I wanted to do this video very fast, so I started doing it. Then as soon as the sun came up, I went and I made myself some breakfast because I was really hungry. I went out last night and I drank a lot, and I came back home, I didn't eat, and you know how the next day you're very hungry, it's like you can eat somebody. So that is the mood that I was going for. And then I went back to my room to like finish eating because I was really hungry. I was so I just ate and I watched a little bit of the nanny because I actually love this show so much. It is actually very hilarious. I love it. I see all the hype because the Twitter girls be really hyping it. And then after that, I took a break from braiding hair. My junior sister is going back to school, so since I have like good penmanship or whatever, I'm writing her names down on her stuff. And while I'm doing that, I'm also watching movies. So this is like the way that I catch up on watching movies by multitasking. After doing that, I decided that I was just going to go ahead and clean up my room because it was kind of distracting me when the things were all over the place. I could not concentrate on work. So here I am just like cleaning stuff out, cutting up fabric that I will probably sew with later, and then arranging my sewing patterns. I haven't sewn in a long while, so I was hoping to sew, but we'll see how that turns out. And then finally, this is what my bed looks like after I've made it up. So now I'm just battling with this pillow, and yeah, that's basically it. So after making up my bed, I'm just going to go right back into work. So I did film this. Like, if you want to watch the whole video, I'm going to upload this video on Tuesday, so do make sure to come back to watch the video. But yeah, I basically finished the braid, and then now I can move on to doing other things for the day. So I check my emails and then basically check what movies I haven't watched or watched yet. So that's what I was doing in this clip. And then I decided that I wanted to spray paint this thing because I want to have like a nice cute scented candle tray-ish thing. I don't know, you're going to see it like in the future videos if it works out, but if it doesn't work out, you're not going to see it. Okay, so I just went and I used my ivory spray paint and I spray painted this. I also have a video on where you can get craft stuff like this, so do make sure to check it out. Also, while I was going through my day, a customer called me and she said she wanted a wig that day, so I went and collected the hair, and here I am just checking out the hair. And then somebody also called me. I don't even know what I was doing, but basically I had a call, so that's that. So after that, I had some errands to run today. I wanted to buy some stuff, so I went and took a bath, and I'm just picking out dresses for the day. I also got new perfume from my aunt, so I'm trying to like check it out. So this is what I finally end up wearing, and it was just a simple gown because I was going on errands. And then I'm wearing this my 32-inch wig, and I said I didn't want to like go through the whole day with my hair loose, so I went and opted for a band and I tied my hair. Here I am just wearing jewelry and trying to accessorize, and lip balm, of course. My glasses were not giving what I was supposed to give, so I went out without them. Like, who cares if I'm blind, right? Just counting money, making sure that I have enough money to leave the house with, and then putting stuff away. This is what I ended up with. I mean, it's not bad. So while I was going out, the customer called me and said that she wanted to wear for a party that evening. So I had to come back very, very fast to the house to finish her wig. Thank goodness that I used machines to make wigs, because this would have been like a whole different process. But basically this is it. I also do have a wig machine tutorial, like a wig making tutorial with my sewing machine, very very detailed at that. So I'm going to link it down in the description box and also up on your screen so that you can go and check it. And I also give wig making classes. If that's something that you're interested in, you can reach me on my socials at I am Camera. And then after that, I went and I quickly plucked the hairline because she said that she wanted a very natural hairline. And that was basically it for today, and for this week. And then I went in with my hot comb to flatten it, because I really really like when wigs are flat at the top. I do not know why, it just gives me some, I don't know, it just gives like, it just makes my serotonin just bust. Anyways, I straightened the hair, and then I hot ironed, like I hot combed it again because I really wanted it to be flat. Anyways, the customer wanted it to be flat. And then now I'm just going to move stuff again in my room because I have to take like pictures from my business Instagram. So I put this tool there, and then I have like this furry thing that I put over it to like max whatever thing I did on the thing. What am I even saying? So yes, now I just take the wig and I put on my mannequin head, and then I do some finishing touches and take some pictures. After taking the pictures, I just brush the hair and I wrap it in this net. Usually this is not how I package my wigs, but because she said she didn't really care, and I'm not saying that I don't do stuff well for my customers, but I'm just saying again that I was in a rush. I don't know if it's just me. My head looks funny in this wig. What's this? Like, the head shape is not giving what it's supposed to give. Anyways, on my way to buy some things and then drop off the customer's wig. One of the things I wanted to get to was a tripod. I badly needed a tripod, so I went to this place and I picked one of the tripods and I got them. So I went to this fabric shop to get fabric for my chair screen. So I was trying to measure the color. It wasn't really what I wanted, but that's that. And then I'm just unboxing the tripod because I am like a child. When you get a new toy and you have to try it, that's like how I feel excited every time I buy stuff. So here I am just setting up the tripod so that I can see how long it was, and I cannot absolutely wait to use this tripod. So that's it, since I'm getting to like content creation and whatnot. And then I had some ice cream I got from the road. I did take a little nap because this like this I am so tired that I cannot focus on anything until I take a nap. So I took a nap and then I woke up and I did my makeup and I just wore something over my pajamas because I don't have time to be wearing full dresses when you're just going to see from my neck up. So set up my camera again, wore my wig to film the outro and like the end of this hair tutorial, and then I did this TikTok challenge. If you're a TikTok person, you know what challenge I'm doing now. Yeah, so I filmed the TikTok and then I went and took off my makeup and just washed my face. I cleared my bed as well because I'd put stuff again on my bed. So I just cleared my bed and remade up my bed and wore warmer clothes so that I could prepare for bed. Here I am on my laptop. Usually I always edit like the next day, or if I have time like today I'm going to edit the same day. But yeah, this is the video for my room transformation. That one is already up on YouTube, so please go and check it out. And I usually edit on my table like this, or I could move to my bed when I'm really tired, and I always end up falling asleep. So here's the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching to the end. As always, leave a comment, like, subscribe, share. I love you guys. Until my next video, bye.